Do you suffer from headaches or migraines? One treatment option could be chiropractic care. So one of the things we see is headaches or migraines can be caused by the joints and muscles in your neck. This is called cervicogenic. So basically the tension headaches, the migraines, they can all be coming from these tight muscles right up in this area. When the muscles get tight or from stress, being on a computer, driving, that can cause the joints to become misaligned and then cause irritation. That can lead to chronic headaches. How I would approach treating chronic headaches or migraines is we would work on not only the muscular component, and that could be, we could utilize dry needling, acupuncture, active release technique, and then we would also do some adjustments to the joints in the neck to help restore that range of motion and to take the pressure off. Usually patients respond really quickly, usually within 4 to 6 visits. They get a lot of relief, and the headache frequency will die down and it'll keep improving as we get things loosened up. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do a demonstration of one of the treatments for that area. So we're going to work on the tight muscles in her upper back, and then we're going to do some chiropractic adjustments to help restore the range of motion and improve the mobility. So what we're going to do for treatment is we're going to apply some dry needling technique to her suboccipital region, this area right at the base of her neck there. And then we're going to work some of the muscles in her upper back to help release the tension. And then once we're done treating the muscular component, we're going to do some chiropractic adjustments to help restore the range of motion and to loosen up the area. So for dry needling, what we're going to do is we're going to place a couple acupuncture needles right in the base here. This is where a lot of the headaches originate from. So sometimes when we're doing this technique, it'll reproduce some of her pain or headache in that area. And that's also confirmation that she has an issue going on right through there. The other spot we want to work is in this upper back region. This is where the muscles originate and they come up and they attach right up here. So sometimes we'll get some big knots or adhesions that'll form right in this area. This technique is very effective at loosening up chronic tension, which a lot of headache and migraine sufferers deal with. Sometimes they'll feel just a little dull, achy sensation where we place the needles where she's really tight. So the treatment for this technique is very quick. We don't have to leave the needles in for extended periods of time. Once we place them in, we get that little bit of a reaction we're looking for, then we can take them out. So we're going to take these out. Perfect. Now what we're going to do is we're going to work on the joints in her neck. So we're going to do what we call a chiropractic adjustment to help restore the range of motion and to loosen things up. So I want to have you flip over and let's have you go on your back. So we're going to rotate her head a little bit towards me. Now with this procedure, the patient's going to hear a little pop and click as we loosen up the joints. That's normal and safe, just a gas ball releasing. There we go. There it is. And same thing with this side. We're going to rotate towards me. Good, nice and easy. Good. Again, that release that you heard was just a release of the joint, a gas bubble in the joint fluid. When the joints become stiff or locked up, you'll get that loss of range of motion. Good, let's have you sit up for me. So now that we worked on the muscle component with the dry needling, we loosened up those tight muscles in her upper back and in the base of her skull. And then we restored the range of motion in her joints in her neck. Now we want to talk about posture and how to improve that so it reduces the strain on her neck and helps prevent future headaches. So a lot of times when we're sitting all day long and we're working on a computer or commuting, we'll tend to have bad posture and we'll slouch. And so what I want you to do is I want you to sit up nice and tall. And what that does is it's going to naturally kind of relax these muscles up here, and it's going to take the tension off this area up here, which is going to help prevent the headaches from forming. So this is going to be more of a long-term strategy. Once we get the muscles loosened up, then we want to really focus in on posture to help prevent that. So if you've been suffering from headaches or migraines, give our office a call at 703-912-7822, or you can schedule online at novachirowellness.com.